Okay, as our onions and garlic are starting to saute up, we're going to go ahead and measure out 1 cup of rice. And again, it's always best to measure out what you're doing right over what you're doing in case you spill anything. It'll go right into the pot. So we're going to go ahead and stir this up so that it gets nice and toasted. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine to keep the rice from burning and to add some flavor. We're also going to take our bean juice and add that. And then we're going to add our spices. We're going to add a teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. And then we'll go ahead and stir that all up together.